you gorgeous people in the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. I've done it again. Oops, I did it again. Right, enough of that. But I did do it again. You know, I bought this Hermes lipstick. I bought another Hermes lipstick. Yes, it wasn't that long ago I unboxed my Hermes lipstick and blush, and I said that I wasn't entirely sure about the colour, and there was another colour that I wanted to try, but this one was on special and this one wasn't on special. Well, I went ahead and ordered it pretty much the next day after filming that video. So we are going to try out this new colour. And you can see the boxes are slightly different. I've got a refill. This is the full set. So we're going to have a look at the colour, we're going to have a look at the costs, and we're going to have a look at the differences in the packaging and also how you actually refill the refillable Hermes lipstick. But before then, if you are new to my channel, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then go ahead, get down there, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my shenanigans. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. No lipstick. See, can't do it without the lippy. Nope, not happening. Before we get into that as well, what do you think of my new top? It's cute, isn't it? Picked this up on special because I like a bargain in John Lewis, and I've not had anything like this before. This kind of print is very lovely, kind of, yes, I don't know what you would call it, but I like the sleeves on it. It's by Phase 8, and hubby and I saw it when we were walking through John Lewis a few weeks ago, and I decided to pick it up, and I do love it. I think it's fabulous. Right, okay, so first things first. Bought this at Harrods, ordered it online at Harrods. This is the colour 59 Rose Dakar, and this is the satin finish Hermes lipstick. This one is the one that I mentioned in my previous video. It's colour 13 Beige Kalahari. And this is also in the satin finish. This is the full size and this is the refill. So you can see first off the package sizes is very, very different. The packaging itself is the same though. It's got this kind of raw, unprocessed kind of cardboard feel to it. It looks like it's grubby, but it's not. It's very deliberate, that kind of raw, unprocessed feel to it. So let's open up this one. This is the full size set where you pay, oh yes, I didn't say the price. I paid £40 for this whole set from Harrods on their sale. This refill was £33. Okay, so the full set one, you get the Hermes box and you slide it out and you've got your lippy. And your lippy is in its own little dust bag. There we go. I mean, it's only been a week or so since I showed you this one. There you go, that's the darker colour. And the bam. Oh, I can't get over it. I love it. I find it so satisfying. So that is the packaging you get for the main one. And for the little one, for the refill, you open up the same style box and you can see it is just a little bullet, a little plastic bullet, and I think this is a cap. That's a cap for it, and you've got the twisty thing built in. Wow, that really does look quite beige, doesn't it? It looks quite brown, very, very brown, very brown. We'll see what that looks like when it goes on. So, how do we do it? How do we get this in here? I think we're going to need a different camera angle. Right, so this is the refill bullet, and this is the actual bullet. First thing is we're going to have to try and take out this one. So, how do we do that? How do we take it out? Which bit is the bit? It looks like it's this whole bit here, this whole black bit of plastic. It's not the bit inside it. Yes. So how do we take this out? Oh, it's as simple as that. And then you can pop the cap on. That's really easy. You could potentially just buy one Hermes lipstick bullet and just constantly switch them out. And so that is the beige Kalahari. Lovely stuff. Well, that was a bit easier and a bit quicker than I expected. Let's slap it on. Well, I honestly thought it would be harder than that, but look, it is so simple. That's it. That's all you have to do. Right, let's try it on, because I'm desperate to see what this colour is like. I love the colour of it online. Let's just hope it works on me, because I am excited about this. It smells different from the other one. The other one had a kind of Parma Violets, a light Parma Violets flavour to it. And this one doesn't seem to. What do you think of that? It is quite beigey, and if I come up close, hello, this is me up close. This is the colour of the lipstick. What do you think? Honestly, this formula is delicious. It goes on so smoothly. Me Chanel double mirror, love this. So slim, but I do keep it in slim and easy to fit into your bag, any bag, but I do tend to keep it in its little pouch as well, which takes up a little bit of extra space, but it's worth it. So this colour, beige Kalahari, it is very heavy on the beige, but it does have a kind of pinky undertone. It's not too dissimilar, I think, from the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Probably a little more golden than the Pillow Talk. I find the Pillow Talk a little bit more, almost got plummy kind of pinky undertones. This is more of a golden, rose goldy kind of undertone. What is it with me and beiges? I've got my beige bags, my Balenciaga, my Bottega Veneta in tan. All started, I think, with the Coach Beat 18 Basquiat. Yeah, I think it started something in me. I'm going to be a vision in beige. Watch out, Jamie, I'm coming for you and your neutrals. It's a lovely colour. It is a lovely shade. It is a definite win. A definite win for me. I usually prefer something with a bit more of a pop of colour, a bit more bright pink or something, but I really wanted a shade that I could literally slap on like that, not have to worry about going over the lines or any of that kind of stuff. Just slap it on and feel like I am made up, I am presentable, I am polished, but without having to worry about whether my lipstick's going to smear all the time. Now this is the Rose Dakar, and this is really quite a darker shade, and then there's the beige Kalahari. This I'm keeping. Obviously I'm not going to throw it away, but I'm going to keep it, but I shall use this probably quite sparingly. This one I can see me wearing a lot of the time. Yeah, a lot of the time. And I think it goes quite nicely with me top as well. This is going in my bag straight away. So yeah, that's my very short and sweet video about my second Hermes lippy, number 13 beige Kalahari in the refill, and how it is to refill the Hermes gorgeous magnetic bullet. So much easier than I was expecting. I was expecting to have to twist and turn, twist and shout and all of that kind of stuff, and I didn't have to do any of that. It was super simple. I don't think I'm ever going to buy another Hermes bullet unless there's a limited edition one with really bright colours on it or something like that that I really take a fancy to, but otherwise I'm just going to buy refills. refills, £33. Exactly what I'd pay for a Gucci lipstick. And then you get the full-on Hermes. Now obviously with the packaging you don't get quite the same experience, because you get all of this with the lipstick, you get the little dust bag, you get the orange Hermes box and this, and with the refill you just get this little bit of cardboard. But frankly, how many of these do we need? I keep packaging and I don't need to keep 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these, because I do like a lippy and I do like to play. Let me know what you think of this shade. Beige Kalahari number 13 in the satin finish. The formula is delicious. Let me know what you think of this shade on me. And yeah, that's it. That was a lot quicker and a lot easier than I was expecting. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it the... See? Perfect for the... as well. Yeah, thumbs up love, that's the one. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye.